Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after NFP, we got to see some crazy moves as expected. DXY fell sharply, made a low of 104.04, and surprisingly and shockingly, we got to see a perfect bounce from the support. Dollar weakens after US jobs data suggests slower rate hike path. Dollar weakened on Friday after US labor data for Friday showed slower wage growth, suggesting an easing of inflation pressures may keep the Federal Reserve's pace of interest rate hikes modest and thereby reduce the greenbacks at P. But the best part is that though there was a sharp fall, DXY maintained the overall structure. You can still see that after this massive red candle also, DXY did not break the support and showed us any trend reversal sign. Okay, so on Monday, we can expect that DXY will be respecting the overall structure of DXY and will trade accordingly. And usually we do not get to see much volatility during the first half, especially during the Asian session and European session on Monday. And as we have CPI on Tuesday, so as a result, we will get to see a sideways market, more or less a confused market on Monday. So usually volatility comes or arrives during the US session, but on Monday I don't think so the market will show extreme volatility during the US session as well, because on Tuesday we have the another big event, that is CPI. As a result, we can expect that if market comes down, DXY comes down after market opening also, then market will be getting some support around 104 level again. In case market breaks this level, also immediate support will be from the 200 moving average, that is 103.70. If market shows upside, then yes, the road will not be much clear, much smooth, because of the Friday's selling pressure, because sellers are still very much present. So around 105.50, 105.40, we can expect that market will face some resistance again for Monday. Okay, so this is the overall scenario on DXY. Overall, the structure is intact, intact. That is the best part. Okay, now let's move towards GBPUSD. So it is a weekly chart of GBPUSD, and you can see that last week GBPUSD has formed a doji. Doji usually signifies indecision in the market, and the main reason of showing you the weekly chart is that you can see for more than 1 month, 1 2 3 4 5 candles, means 1 month and 1 week, market is struggling to cross the weekly pivot level, the weekly resistance of 1.0280, and market is unable to do so. Market has crossed the level many times, but market has failed to give a closure on the weekly basis above this level. So market is still struggling, and around the same level we also have the 50 moving average. So overall the things are not very positive for GBPUSD if we consider the weekly chart. So as a result, if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader and looking for fresh positions, then I'll suggest you to wait for 2 or 3 days more so that you can get a clear idea. And if you're a day trader, then it is better for you to trade from level to level so that you can be on the safer side. Okay, so now let's look at the normal time frames and look at the trading opportunities for Monday. But before I proceed, my dear friends, I would like to mention that, as you all already know, that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop that I conduct every month is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English. If you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop if you really want to learn about the market. I'll be sharing the secrets of the market that I have learned in all these 9-10 years. Okay. And the best part about the workshop is that after the 3 days workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. Here you can see that I have also prepared a questionnaire so that you can understand that whether the workshop will be useful for you or not, because the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you are struggling with the market, if you're unable to make profits for the last couple of months, then only you should be joining the workshop. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. So be a part of the Pro Trader program so that you can join the workshop. Okay, you can see these are the benefits, okay, or the benefits that you'll be receiving after the workshop for 1 month. Okay, and if you sign up for the annual membership, then obviously you'll be receiving all the benefits for the whole year. Okay, so the best part is the fees. The fees is only $15 for 3 days workshop and the support for 1 month. And for Indian clients, it's 1,000 rupees only. The next dates are 16th, 17th, and 18th of March. Everything is mentioned on the website, timing and everything. If you're unable to join the workshop due to time constraints, no need to worry. I also record each and every session because traders from around the world join the workshop. So due to time difference, not everybody can join. So as a result, I record everything. So feel free to join our workshop if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income. Okay. Now let's get back to the chart of GBP USD. So this is the 4 hours time frame in front of us, and as you can see, we have resistance around this area. We had resistance around 1.2100 to 1.2120. This was the resistance level, and due to the presence of the 200 moving average in addition, okay, market failed to cross this particular level here, and as a result we got to see some price rejection. Okay, but as I have already said that on Monday there is a high chance that market will be slow, market will not be much volatile. So in that case, if you see market going up again on Monday, then there's a good chance that market will be reversing from this level, because if GBP USD is at resistance, it means that DXY will be at the support. If DXY takes support, then obviously you will see GBP USD reversing from the resistance, and in that case you can consider taking a sell position around this area. And in case there is a sudden drop on DXY, if you see DXY breaking the support of 103.90104 level, then you should be considering selling around the next resistance of 1.2200. Right now 1.2200 seems to be the most logical resistance on the chart of GBP USD because of Fibonacci. Okay, because of Fibonacci 61.8% retracement around this area, as well as we can also see price rejection around this area in the past, and in addition to that we can also see 1.2200 is a round number. Round numbers are psychological support and resistance levels. So this level seems to be a strong resistance. In case market breaks this particular level here, then you may see some reversal around this area. If you see market reversing from this level, if you see price being rejected from above, you can definitely consider taking a sell position. Okay, but we are still considering this level also because of low volatility in the market. Okay, in case market shows high volatility, then 1.2200 is the only resistance level for you. Okay. And during the day, okay, if you see market is sleeping, very boring market, tired market, okay, in that case, okay, you can also consider taking a buy at retracement. Okay, so two support levels are 1.1994, and the second level is 1.1957. These two are the retracement levels on the chart of GBP USD. If market comes, if you see that market is coming down but there is not much selling pressure in, it means that market is coming down for retracement, and there's a high chance that after some support, okay, market will be bouncing again. If not a trend reversal, at least you can expect a buy opportunity of 25-30 pips. Quick buy opportunity. Okay, so in that case you can take a buy position as well if you see market taking support around these two levels. 1.1994 is not a very strong level, but 1.1957 is a better level. In my other videos also I have spoken about the importance of Fibonacci 50 and 61.8, especially in case of GBP USD. So the 1.1957 is a better level, okay, in comparison to this. So these are the trading opportunities, okay, on the chart of GBP USD right now. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. Anyways, my dear friends, I would say that See, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye.